You can see there is a strong SMT point of interest, and you can see there is a inversion fair value gap at 1 minute. And there is a lot of liquidity at the lower side. You can see unmitigated imbalance. You can see 1 2 3 almost strong liquidity, and price also rejecting from there is one PD array. And so you can see these imbalance in the path are disrespected, give change instead of delivery. And I entered at this 1 minute hammer confirmation, and I got stop out. Then as I moved to the 3 minute time frame, I got another confirmation at 3 minutes because there is a 3 minute imbalance, and I enter immediately at this point, book almost 25% quantity at this point, and rest is at the break even. So almost I'm in the some profits. The mistake that I made here this, but that's almost a good thing that I made, because whenever my setup form I want a clear displacement, not this type of choppy action. As I see, I move my almost 75% quantity stop loss at this point, and then and the rest of 25% is at above. And as you can see, 75% quantity is exited, and then another one I get a hammer confirmation. I enter at this point almost 75% quantity that I exit here, and then move my all the stop loss at above this, and you can see this price dump clearly, and I book some quantity, almost 25% quantity at this point, and I move my stop loss to the break even point at this point. You can see strong selling again came again, and from seeing this chop action, I move my stop loss to this high, and as you can see at this point I exited my all quantity. So this trade is a break even trade. That's how we manage the risk. Still in the loss, you can see how this trade perform. You can see if you put your SL at this point, you got SL of full SL. So almost at this point we are break even because of two small losses at this point, and you can see all these losses covered in just 25% quantity in this move. Rest is break even. So that's our point, that whenever a plus setup form, we need a clear displacement. Whenever you see this type of action, move SL to the break even immediately. Same trade form at this point. If we have SMT 1 minute inversion, enter at this point, as price tap to this, move SL to the break even. Now we are exactly cost to cost, and whatever trade price is in our favor, whatever you get is your luck now, because you are risk free. We are only playing with risk management. Look at the moment, that's how we have to deal with the trade. Enter is, you can see momentum, move SL to the break even. Now we are cost free. You can see that's a great trade, because we know at least price can easily go to tap this sweep this liquidity and tap this imbalance. So one learning from here: do not enter at 1 minute time frame if there is no 1 minute fair value gap present. Enter at 3 minute time frame if 3 minute time, because at this point there is a 3 minute fair value gap present. So enter only at 3 minute hammer confirmation, not 1 minute. And once this fair value gap mitigated, then price don't